Now, I don't know how well this is going to turn out, because it's nighttime, but you can see some of the constant lightning that we're having. I'm in Aspley. I'm trying to pick Melissa up from work, and it's just been this constant lightning. It's been pretty amazing. It's a bit scary to drive in, although it all seems cloud to cloud. And still, I'm not going to be getting out of the car anytime soon to do any filming. So, yeah, as you can hear, there's not a lot of thunder involved with it. It's just moved through about 10-15 minutes ago. That was a good one. Really pretty. And that's Aiden, you can hear. And it's all moving out to sea. It's moving out to Moreton Bay. And Aiden's having a scream. That's a good flash. There's a few cloud to ground strikes out of it, but for the most part it's cloud to cloud. And that's kind of freaky. Let's just film until I run out of memory on the phone. If it turns out like crap, well then it'll be deleted and nobody will hear it. Ooh. Welcome to Brisbane in summertime, people. Well, the good thing is I can shake this around and you'll never know. You hear a little bit of thunder. The wind's picking back up again too, not that you can tell, but it was pretty still. There's a bit of a breeze now. And you can see in there, inside the swim school, they've been flooded with the wind and the rain that we've had today. It's Thursday. And so they're trying to clean up enough so that the standing water doesn't set off the alarm system, which is a bit freakish to think you can do that. I can't get over this. This won't stop. This lightning is just amazing. Shush, Bubby. We'll be going soon. It just won't stop. It's just this constant lightning. Wow. Oof. I wish I could tell you which direction I'm sort of looking at. I think I'm looking north-ish. And I'm not getting out of my car to give you a different view. I think I'll stay put. Thank you very much. turns out alright. And you can see just how constant this is. This is just really incredible. Thank God there's nothing that says I'm going to be full of this in the rock. Getting a bit windy again. I wonder if we're going to get another storm. There was hail, although not here. And there's probably some streets flooded again.